Environmental Cases on Lexis Plus for the Environmental Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. One nice thing about legal research is that everything you find can lead you to other relevant authority. There are many ways to search, but once you've found a relevant case, Lexis Plus has tools that help you find additional relevant case law. This is Safari Club International versus Salazar, 709 F 3rd 2nd 1, DC Circuit 2013. Following the full name of the case are some editorial enhancements added by Lexis, the subsequent and prior history, court terms, a case summary made up of an overview and the outcome, and the Lexis headnotes. Lexis headnotes contain language from the case that the editors at Lexis have selected for the points of law they discuss. Readers can scan the headnotes and then jump to the actual discussion in the case by clicking on the little headnote number, or jump back up to the headnotes at the top of the case. Lexis headnotes can also be used to find additional cases. This headnote was given the topical heading Environmental Law, Natural Resources and Public Lands, Endangered Species Act, Federal Agencies. Click on a topical heading. Then click Get Documents to find cases that have been assigned to that topic. We can use the Lexis Plus filtering options to limit our display to specific jurisdictions, specific time frames, and also use the Search Within Results filter to improve the precision of our search. By changing to the Ravel View link, we now see a visual representation of the top 75 cases. Each circle represents one of these top 75 cases. The lines connecting cases indicate a citing relationship between the cases in our results list, and the overall view shows how case results are connected in 4 ways. How often each case has been cited, that is, how seminal each case may be. The larger the circle, the more the case has been cited. Chronologically, the horizontal axis shows when the cases were decided from oldest to newest. By jurisdiction, the vertical axis shows the highest federal court at the top, then lower federal courts, followed by state courts, and search relevance. The higher the circle within that court level, the more relevant to our search results it is. Clicking on a case circle reveals the case name and site, in this case TVA versus Hill, and highlights the case connections from our top 75 search results in Shepard's treatment colors. To return to the full view of all available case connections, click anywhere in the view background. Going back to our headnotes from our original case, rather than click on the headnote topic, we could instead click on the More Like This headnote link. Lexis writes and runs a natural language search using legal concepts identified in this headnote. But what if the most relevant portion of this case does not have a headnote and topics associated with it? Lexis can still help us find additional relevant cases. Click on the Info button if not already showing, and at the bottom of the info box is a button to activate passages in the legal issue trail. Now that the legal issue trail has been activated, we can click within a box that contains the part of the case we are interested in. This takes us to a listing of cases citing the case we started with for this issue, which may be relevant for our research. To learn a little more about some of the topics assigned to the headnotes, click on Topic Summaries in the Info tab. The Topic Summary report provides background information including relevant definitions, description of the elements, links to statutes and rules, secondary sources, a summary of the standards of review, and links to seminal cases.